Everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix apps not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart mobile. Just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, check your internet connection. After check internet connection is work properly, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so last solution is software update. Go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix apps not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.